Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you on how to send PayPal link to request a payment or to send a payment. So just open your browser or Safari for iPhone users. So then type out paypal.com and now you can see this page here. So tap on the horizontal line at the top left corner of your screen. Okay, and then from the list of the options, tap on send and request. That one. Okay, just wait for a few seconds. Then after that, you will be bring in this page here, so tap on request. And then tap on share your personal profile. This one at the bottom corner of your screen. Then after that, from the list of the options, from this page, tap on the share icon. Okay. And then now choose the copy link to share your link to your friends or your family. And that's it. Now you can use that link to request a payment to your friends or from your family. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye!